I'm just going to bake some cake. I'm gonna start with my butter. I'm making multicolored cake today. I'll add some butter. And some eggs. Going to add some eggs now. Two. Making a lot of eggs. I'm making a lot of cake. Quite large quantity. It's quite big. So I'm gonna blend it now. Going to add some flour. Some vanilla flavor. Baking powder. And we're gonna add some coconut, some vegetable oil because I added very little butter. So you're just gonna make it very fluffy when I put it in the fridge. And we'll blend it again. Okay, I'm gonna add my castor sugar. It's already blended, so it's fine. I can add it anytime. It's smooth, so yeah, I can add it anytime. Added the milk now, room temperature, and I'm gonna keep mixing it up. This is my cake mixture, is smooth now. I'm gonna share it into two. to equal. Then I add the coloring. I have red and blue coloring. So this is equal. Add a little more. Just blend. My blue and pink cake is ready. It was actually a red flavor, but it gave me a pink color. I actually prefer pink. So I've added butter to my pan. I'm going to bake one of them first. I'll bake this one first. Then keep one of them in the fridge just so the flavors stay the same. Then after I'll bake the second one. So my cake is ready. This is the blue one, pink one. I'm gonna do the icing. Guys, this is the butter. I'm just gonna I'm gonna add my icing sugar now after I'll beat it now. So my butter icing is, my cake is ready. I'm gonna add some decorations now. Yay! My cake is ready, guys. My cake is ready. Come and join me. Yummy! Subscribe for more.